so good.
Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. I'm Imad Seth and today basically I have a recovery ride and I want to first ask you guys how you guys are doing in this lockdown situation, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. If you do, please do leave a comment that I'm doing good. It'll mean a lot to just read through your comments and know that you guys also are doing really well. So yesterday Shri, I and others had did the Artipedo segment. If you follow me on Instagram, you know we did that segment yesterday, and so I'll put a link to my Instagram down and also my Strava down so you can see the details of it. So I didn't carry my GoPro to vlog the whole race because I was trying to be light as possible. Shri got the and I'll put some footage, glimpse of the race, our suffering faces.
Take it slow, baby, I can. Always go 0 to a million. You're like my coffee, need you each morning. Then I'm crashing again at 4 p.m. Touch me and my senses spin out. Pick me up, there's no coming down. You take me to the top, straight up, never get off. And I can't stop.
I hope you enjoyed the few clips. For now, I'm waiting for Amar to come. So Amar and I go way back into cycling. My cycling career started something with him. If you want to see a vlog over how I started my cycling career, you can comment down below. I would love to do it. It'll be a little hard to find all the old pictures and stuff, but I will try my best to cover that vlog. Today is just a recovery ride. We're going to go around Boathouse, take some few clips here and there. Tomorrow, which is Sunday, is going to be a really hard ride. Now Naveen has asked Shri and I to do a TT effort on Kalhati. So I'm not going to try getting any more Kalhati road or views or anything. I'm just going to try giving the camera to someone who is coming with us to get us both just suffering on the bike, pure pain. So my goal is to do it in 1 hour 3 minutes. I'll know tomorrow how much time I'll take, but for now goal is 1 hour 3 minutes. So let's get into today's ride. Also guys, before I start the vlog, I've done a few changes on the bike. I got new wheels, the Pacos, which I bought from Shri. Taken out my bottle cage because it's 50 grams. So my bike comes in at around 8.3 8.4 kgs, and Shri is using his cot, which is at 7.6 kgs, and he is 2 kgs lighter than me. So whatever happens, if we both put the same amount of power, he's obviously going to be a minute faster than me. Good morning, bro.
Morning, bro.
Tell hi to the vlog.
Happy to be on your vlog, Immu.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Which is the best memory you have as a child while cycling with me?
With you? No, it'd definitely be riding down the Ghats and going to Northern.
Yeah, not coming back up in the car.
Yeah.
I'm not coming back up in the cycle.
Yeah, coming back with yeah, that was the fun part. Yeah, but that was a great memory.
Yeah, even the Glenmorgan trip was beautiful.
Yeah, the Glenmorgan trip was nice. The Glenmorgan trip was nice. Yeah, there have been a few nice rides. There was a ride to Kotagiri as well. Once
Yeah.
coming back late in the night, it got really dark. And yeah, it was fun. That was fun.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I'm here at Sangu's house. So today we have the color tea effort. I'm going to be giving the GoPro to Abhishek, and I'll be giving my camera to Adarsh. I'll try getting as much as footage I can of me and Sri suffering. And also, guys, I'm at 780 subscribers right now. It'll mean a lot if you guys could just hit the subscribe button, because I've seen the analytics screen and around 75% of you guys have not subscribed to my channel. It'll mean a lot if you could just like click the subscribe button. It's free, it's not that hard to do. And yeah, check out the weather today. It's brutal. So the car is all packed up. We'll be heading down to Kalhati in like a minute or two right now.
Moments later.
We just made it down. We're just setting up the bikes. Me being me, I forgot my Allen key set in the house. So Sri did some jugaad and tightened it with a stick. And now we're going to set up, warm up, and then leave. I'll be giving the GoPro to Adarsh. I hope he takes good content. We'll catch you guys on top after I finish the segment. Come on, bro, come on, bro. 5 kilometers more, 5 kilometers more, 5 kilometers, only 5 kilometers. Easy. Only 5 kilometers. Go.
Just done with the quality. I think 1 hour 3 minutes something. First half I did 230 watts. Second half I was trying to maintain 220. I just died. But overall good effort. Now we'll speak to Sri and see how he did.
I'm so happy about my result. I think I got the comp. I finished at 57:30 I think, and I'm so happy about my power and cadence. My biggest worry was I need to maintain a good cadence, and I was using 34. I was using 34 30, and I managed to get around let's see 74 cadence and 254 watts. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy about Imad also. He did very well. I think his best time was 1 hour 4:12 something. Today he did 1 hour 2 minutes. I'm so happy about his result.
Before I end this vlog, I wanted to thank you to Adarsh, Akshay for all the content, and Sangu for the support, and also Abhishek, who was sitting at the back of the car and taking our videos. Thank you so much, guys. And that FFT brings the end to today's vlog.
Bro, no thanks for me.
Before I end this vlog, I want to thank you to Sangu, Shri, Adarsh, Akshay, Abhishek. Adarsh, Abhishek and Akshay took a lot of videos. All the clips in this video is all because of them. Thank you so much, guys. Now that FFT brings the end to today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Cheers.